Hi everyone, today I will be making Taro Spring Roll. The taste is good already. If you want a deep flavor, then you can serve it with soy sauce, sweet chili sauce, or sweet fish sauce. Here are the ingredients we need. Okay, let's start together. First, peel off the skin of 3 big clove shallots. Then finely chop it. After that, we will finely chop 5 cloves garlics. Next, finely chop half-pound pork. You also can use ground pork from the market. The pork is ready, so let's move to the taro. Here is 1 pound taro, so just grate it. Then grate 5 ounces carrots. Here is vermicelli I used. It weighs 4.4 ounces. You better soak it in warm water until it turns soft. Then drain the water out. And shortly cut it. Vermicelli is ready, so we can mix it with other ingredients. First, put grated carrot, grated taro, then mix vegetables. I use 2 ounces, half teaspoon ground pepper, 5 cloves of chopped garlics, 3 big cloves of chopped shallots, ground pork, 1 teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon salt, and half teaspoon MSG, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, and finally is 1 egg. So mix it well. You can shortly cut grated carrot and grated taro. The filling is ready, so let's separate the spring roll wrappers. It usually sticks together. After that, we will break 1 last egg for closing the wrapper. Now it's time to wrap the spring roll. First, put the filling in the lower center part of the wrapper. Then tightly roll it. Then you can coat the wrapper each with egg, then continue roll it. Now I got 40 spring rolls. Then you can deep fry it, so pour enough cooking oil and wait until it turns hot over medium heat. The cooking oil is hot enough, so drop the spring rolls in. Frequently, flip it back and forth so it's cooked evenly. Once it's turned golden brown, put it on the strainer to drain the cooking oil out. Taro spring rolls were done. It looks so yummy. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in the next delicious recipes. Bye.